Okay, good day everyone, and good day and happy new week. So I want to start doing the analysis. Last week we analyzed markets on major pairs of currency and also this DXY, and I said that if DXY found it difficult to break above this, this level, that the market will start coming down. And you can see this is last week candle. I mean, this is upper last week candle, and this is last week candle. So you can see the market DXY came down just purposely because of a rejection area. So this week we are starting again. We want to start from DXY. I want to start from DXY. If this is the first time you are watching this video, I want you to subscribe and share these videos for others. Share it, subscribe. So this week we're going to start with DXY. So don't forget, we still have our downtrend is still have a downtrend, normal. And when you look at last week candle, we have a bearish last week. For the last week candle, this is the weekly candle. And when you look at last week candle, you can see the market came down and it has completed, the bullish army. You can see, I mean, it has completed, the bearish army. This candle and this candle was a bearish army. And I said last week that if the market find it difficult to break above, that the market will continue coming down. So let's see what the market is going to do for this week. Let's look at the trend. We have a trend, and like I've said, we have a downtrend. We have a downtrend, and at the same time, we have a counter trend, which is an uptrend. And when you look at this trend, this is a trend, and the market has broke this trend. So let's continue to see the continuations of a bearish move of a downtrend. So let's go to daily. So this is daily, and at daily we have the market start coming down, and let's look at the support and resistance. Let's see where we can get a support and resistance. This is a resistance level. You see, and market have started coming down from this level, and this is a support level too. You can take this level as a support level. This is support level. So if the market find it difficult to break this level, then we see a rejection. We see a market moving up. And at the same time, we can look at this area too, this place and this place as area of our consecration. So around this level, if the market start coming down and it gets there, if it find difficult to break above, then if it find difficult to break below, then the market will do a pullback, because since market break this level, when they break this trend line, you see that we have not seen a pullback. So if the market get this level this week, and then during this week, then we can see opportunity for the market to start moving up to do a pullback. And if it breaks this level like this, then we now see the markets started coming down, because when you look at the trend, we can see we still have the downtrend for 4 hours. So you can just see markets, coming down, and from here you can see rejection before the market will start coming down. And if peradventure the market break this level, so when it breaks, let's see where the market is going to. So let's quickly see where this market is going to. Let's go back. So definitely the market is coming back to this support level around this place. Support level around this place. So for DXY, my bias trade is still a bearish, still bearish. So let's be looking for opportunity to sell, around this place, or if the market breaks here straight, we can look for opportunity to sell. So this is for analysis on DXY, DXY movement. DXY movement for this week. And I want to remind you that we are approaching the end of the year, and you see, when we are at the end of the year like this, when we are approaching the end of the year, you'll be seeing a lot of ranging. Market will be ranging. Why? Because by now, most of the companies are rounding up and they are going for Christmas holiday. This is the USD. This is GBP USD. And last week, I predicted that GBP USD is going to bullish. And I said if it breaks a certain level, which is this level, I said market will continue to bullish. And I said if it break below this level, is coming down. You can go and watch the previous video to confirm whether my analysis is correct or not. So today we want to talk about how we can prepare ourselves for next week. And when you look at this, when you look at the market itself, the direction of the market, we can see a bullish. We can see bullish, which is uptrend, and we can see a minor trend. But look at this market is trying to be pushing up again. So are we seeing this week that this market is going to buy or we start selling? So let's look at what happened last week. So last week I predicted that if the market found it above this candle, and I said this is the bullish engulfing pattern, that the market found it difficult to break below, that will buy. And if you break above this level, this previous candle, it continue towards to buy. Now let's look at what really going to happen for this week, so that we can see whether the GBP/USD is going to be tradable or not. And for GBP/USD, you can see this is the continuation of bullish market. Let's look at the trend. This is our minor trend, and the market has broken the minor trend. And let's go to daily and see what we can see. We can see some key levels at the daily time frame. So at the daily time frame, you can see we have a support here. We have a support here. We have a support level here. And you can see the market respected this level. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from this level, markets are going up. And another level we are still expecting is this another support level. Then this is another the resistance level now. We have a resistance level here. So if the market break above this level, then we are moving up for this week. We are coming to this place for this week. But let's go to 4 hours and see what the market is. So at the 4 hours, you can still see that markets still have an impulse, correction, impulse. Then we are expecting another. This is an impulse correction. Then we are expecting another, another correction here. So, but let's plot this. So for this week, I'm expecting this GBP to come back to this level. So I'm expecting to come back to this level. That is, if it found it difficult to break this level. So if you get there, then from there we can see the market will start moving up and up to this level. So for this week, it's very easy. So the moment for GBP/USD is very easy to observe and it's very easy to trade. We just presently wait for the market to come back to this level, because when you look at this, we can see this is a ranging market. So instead the market break above, or it come back to retest this level, because this is because this is a breakout. Market has breakout already, and you can see it can just, it has break. So after the breakout, we're expecting the retest. If retest and we get to this place, then we see the market continue to buy. And if it had difficult to retest and the break, this is an opportunity for us to look for buy opportunities. This is for GBP/USD. So my analysis for GBP/USD, my direction is for the market to go still remain the bullish, but we expect a pullback a little bit before the market will start going up. So let's look for another pair. So this is the AUD/USD. Last week I predicted that AUD/USD is coming up. It's going to buy, and we were able to make some money on AUD/USD. So you can see I said that AUD/USD is not having a very good direction, and you can see this is the ranging market. You can see the market has been ranging for some level for some days now. So which means that is what kept me away. I did not analyze this market last week. I said I can't, because the market is not giving us a very good structure. But when you look at it last week, you discovered that the market went up, because this is a weekly candle. The market went up. You can see it broke this level and started going up. So because of this bullish engulfing pattern. So what are we expecting for this week? I'm expecting the markets to get to this place around there, and either the market break up or will continue to come down and go back and come back to the previous support level. So let's see what will happen. Let's go to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, we are still seeing we're going to look for support and resistance key levels there. So you can see this is a previous support, and this is resistance level. That's break resistance level. So if this market maintain this place, and you see for last week it did not close above, but it is in between this level. So if this market maintain this level, then definitely we'll see the market going up. So let's go to 4 hours and see where we can get a candlestick confirmation to enter this trade. So for this week, we are expecting a continuation for bullish. So, but let's look for a retracement. Then the market will continue to go up. But if the candle close below this level, then we see the market will continue. We see the market start coming down. We start coming down. So for AUD/USD, this is what I am expecting. So let's go for the next one. Wow, this is a USD card. We made a lot of money. I made a lot of money on USD card, because if you check the analysis I did last week, I said if USD card break a level up, it will buy. And if it break the support level, we start coming down. But look at what happened this week. It started coming down. Now look at what happened. But look at what happened last week. It started coming down. It broke the support level and started coming down. So let's go to weekly and see what the market is going to do for this week. Whether there will be a reversal or a continuation. Now let's look at this. This is a bearish candle for upper last week, and The market respected these chart patterns, which is what? Which is bearish engulfing, and we can also see a level here, which is a resistant level. And let's look at what happened. We can see a trend. This is a trend. The market has broke the trend. It has broke this trend. The market broke this trend. So you can see touch 1, touch 2, then touch 3, then broke up. So then break down. So let's see what the market is going to do for this week. Let's go to daily and mark up some levels. Some levels. So for this week, we are going to expect a little bit retracement. This is a support level. So a support level, then this is another support level. So which the market is going to react to this level this week. Okay. So then let's go to 4 hours. Remember, we still have a downtrend. So let's go to 4 hours now and see what the market is going to do for this week. So for this week, expect a pullback. So the market open, you can see a pullback, from this level, and the market will continue coming down. Let's look at the Fibonacci. This is from this level to this place. So which we are expecting the market to do a 50% return at this level, and it will start coming down. So for continuation, start coming down for this week. So I'm expecting this market to do a pullback, and before we start coming down, start coming down. So this is analysis for USD CAD. So this is Euro USD. Last week I said Euro USD is going to buy, and you see what really happened for Euro USD. Euro USD, let's see weekly charts. For last week, it closed with bullish. It closed with bullish. And when you also look at Euro USD, you can see it has been ranging for some time right now. It is for some months, Euro USD has been ranging, but still we can still look for opportunity to make money. So for last week candle, you can see the bullish market broke this level and started going up. Now let's look at what's going to happen for this week on Euro USD. So for weekly time frame, we are still expecting the market to react, and has been reacting to this level, which is support level. And let's go to daily. Maybe daily can give us. Oh, sorry. You can see the market has been reacting to resistant level. So you can see the market has been reacting to this resistant level here. So which means you may likely see the Euro USD coming down a little bit before we start moving up. But let's see what daily time frame is going to say. Let's see what we can see on daily time frame. Let's see if we can get some key levels. All right. So this is a resistant level for and this is support level for daily candle, daily time frame, support level for daily time frame. So you can still see we have minor uptrend on daily. So if the market breaks this trend, then we can look for opportunity to sell. And if we break above this level, we can't stay close above this level, then we can look for opportunity, to buy. So, but for now, USD is not having a good bearing either to buy or to sell. So let's look at 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, we have to wait a little for the market. Can you see? This is touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, then touch 4. So we are going to presently wait for the market to break this place. If we are to break this level, if we break this support level, then you will see the Euro USD coming down to this place throughout this week. And if you want to buy, we have to wait for the market to break above this place, above this resistant level. So if we break here, then it retest. Then from there, we can look for opportunity to buy. Let's go to the daily and see where it's likely to get to. Yes, we can buy up to this level here for this week. So on Euro USD, 2 minutes, be very careful. We are not having a very good direction for now. So let's go to gold. Let's go to weekly time frame on gold. You can see for some time now gold has been buying. We can see opportunity. We have been making money in buying. But gold is almost getting to a resistant level where we'll be expecting a massive, crash down for good. But let's see. This is an uptrend movement of the gold. And let's go to daily. See, you can see daily market close on Friday with a bearish candle, and this bearish candle was at resistant level. So market found it difficult to break this level and started coming down. So let's see what gold is going to do to this week. I will not be interested to pick sell until I see the market break, below. If it break below this support level, then I can now look for opportunity to start selling from here, from this place back to this place this week. So you can see market. And if the market find it difficult to buy, to sell, and I have to basically wait for the market to break above the resistance level. So then after that, I can have the opportunity to buy. So for me on good, so this is the ranging market, which the market is trying to do. We get to this place and refuse to break, then we will buy, go back up, then that's how the market will continue to do until after it breaks. So if that breaks here, it breaks the support and start coming down, or it breaks the resistance and start going up. So for those who want to trade gold this week, we have to be very, very careful and see the reaction of the gold before we can take any decision. So let's go to USD SEF. This is USD SEF. USD SEF. So let's go to weekly time frame and see what the candle that the last week candle. You can see that USD SEF also has been ranging for some months now. So which we are still expecting. Well, which we are still looking for opportunity to either buy or to sell. So this is last week candle. We can see this is last week candle, upper last week. When you look at this two candle, this two candle, this 1 and 2 candle, you can see this is the bearish alarm. So the market went down a little bit and started going up. So as long as the market find it difficult to break this resistance level, I still count it that the USD SEF is still coming down up to this level, still coming down up to this level. So let's go to daily and find out the key levels. Find out key levels. So you can see market has been ranging, reacting to equal low, equal low, equal high, equal high. So so for now, so as long that the market find it difficult to break above, then we'll be expecting the markets, to be coming down. So this week you can see a little bit moving. Market can move up a little bit and start coming down. But let's go for 4 hours and see some minor key levels we can look into in order to take a trading decision. So okay, like I've said, so let's still expect if the market break this level, if we break this level, then we see a bullish continuation from here up to this level. Then at this level, we can see the market will come down, start coming down, and come back to, to this level. So for this week, I still have a kind of biased mind to sell, but we can see the market will continue to move up a little bit before we now start coming down. So let's see another pairs we can analyze. So let's look at the New Zealand USD. This New Zealand USD, let's see. We have a bullish and engulfing patterns, for this candle upper last week. And now, last week we saw the movement, a little movement. So which I still believe that the New Zealand USD will still continue moving up. But let's check. You can see, let's check the direction. This is the direction of the market. And it means we are expecting the market to come and touch this level before we start coming down. So let's go to daily and see the key levels. Let's go to daily and see the key levels. So for daily time frame, you can see this is the resistance level, and this is support level. Here's support level. Then we're expecting the market to break. If you break this level, then let him come and touch this place, before we start, coming down. And if it breaks above, then we see the massive, movement of the market. If the market find it difficult to break above, then we see the market coming down to touch this place. This is the end of my analysis. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button now and join this channel. I normally post a daily analysis, which is a daily market update. So you can join my Telegram. Use the link below to join my Telegram. You can join it for free. Thank you very much. See you. Have a blessed week. Bye for now.